As we see this recent spike in numbers, county officials around the state are thinking of issuing another stay-at-home order.
But PJ Green spoke with local officials today about this. And PJ, are they considering another stay-at-home order?
Well, not right now, Melanie, but the lack of face coverings and social distancing by the public has local officials thinking of planning for just that.
We're not seeing a whole lot of individuals wearing a mask out in public, and that really is a cause for concern.
With COVID-19 hospitalizations hitting a record high this past Sunday, counties around the state are revising their COVID-19 orders. But Wichita County may not do the same just yet.
I think another lockdown is going to be a differently thought out animal to do that. I think there's other things we can do to get people to take more personal responsibility, maybe more people wearing masks, more people being more conscious of washing their hands.
You know, that's a decision that's made by the mayor and city council and city leadership. They'll certainly ask for my input on that, but it's not my decision to make.
And Kreitler also says the rise in positive cases isn't from an increase in testing, but from the lack of social distancing.
But I don't think we're having an overall increase in the number of individuals that are tested, but we're having an increase in the number of positives that we're seeing from those individuals.
Personally, I really haven't seen people social distancing or wearing masks, honestly.
Back home in New Mexico, I had to wear masks in Walmart and certain grocery stores because they wouldn't let you come in. But here I haven't worn a mask yet, other than working.
Even though another stay-at-home order may not be in store for Wichita County, local officials urge citizens to take care of themselves.
I do think when you're going out and you're going to be in a situation where you can't maintain social distancing, as in a grocery store, a large retail store, that you need to be wearing a mask to protect yourself and your family.
It's just we need to become more conscious that we can see an upward trend as we become more mobile. Let's try to do everything to protect ourselves and each other.
Protecting individuals and families is the #1 priority during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Now, Kreitler also says that a local lab is conducting coronavirus tests so they can get their results faster, and that test numbers will rise this week because of a recent drive-through testing event with the Texas Department of Emergency Management.
Okay, PJ, thank you.